Got a new giant of old. The head of a giant sticking out of the ground here in Cardwell, Montana. Wow. This is a petrified, I believe a male's head. And you can see it's the that's the left side of the face, the left eye, top of the head, the nose, and then the crack there is the mouth. That's the mouth, and then the nose, the eye. But the detail, oh my gosh, unbelievable. Wow. My new telescope really makes it come out. I believe there's a whole body there. Just gotta dig it out of the dirt. Got stuck in the mud that way. Whoever it was. It's here for everyone to see. Wow. Good one here in bear country. Lots of bear tracks today. There it is. New giant of old. Please subscribe to my channel, Ryan Wehner's New Giants of Old.